Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now we're gonna see a story about the turtle and the duck's pond fight. Scene 1. The sunny morning. The sun shone brightly over the green meadow. Turtle Timmy slowly walked toward his favorite pond, humming a happy tune. Fine day to swim alone in peace. To reach the pond, dipped one foot in and smiled. Perfect cool water, just for me. But suddenly, splash! A duck named Daisy landed right in the middle of the pond, taking the water everywhere. This pond is just right for me. Excuse me, that's my pond. A pond? Who said you own it? I'm here every day. Well, I just moved in today. Both frowned at each other. To the silly competition. Let's see who uses the pond better. Let's find out. Daisy began swimming in circles fast. Look at me. I'm the queen of the pond. Slowly floated on itself. I may be slow, but stay calm and steady. She laughed. Steady? You're boring. He puffed. Better boring than bossy. Both splashed each other. Water flew everywhere. Victory, the big mess. She flapped her wings harder. Timmy tried to hide under the water, but the waves pushed him back. Stop! You're making a storm. Started it. Boom! A big wave hit both of them and they rolled into the muddy corner of the pond. Now they both look brown from head to toe. No! My shiny soul is gone! My yellow feathers turned brown? Stared at each other, then burst out laughing. For the wise frog. a frog named Freddy jumped onto a rock nearby. Ribbit, what's all this noise about? We were fighting over the pond. Now we are covered in mud. He smiled. Silly friends, ponds are for everyone. If you share it, you'll both be happy. Timmy looked at Daisy. He's right. I was selfish. Me too. Let's clean this place together. Find the happy pond. After Timmy, Daisy and Freddy cleaned the pond together. They picked up fallen leaves, cleared the mud and made it sparkle again. Finished? Daisy said. This pond looks amazing. We can all enjoy it together. Ribbit, that's the spirit. All jumped into the clear water and played happily, making gentle splashes this time. Of the story, when we serve and care, everyone can be happy. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and like. Bye.